Buying Mother's Day gift with RC car.
Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's see. Please help me pick out a Mother's Day gift. Okay, I can help with that. Do you like hearts? No. Do you like gold? No. Okay. This is so fun. I'll be right back. Do we like these? Yes. Okay, perfect. I can get you checked out. Would you like it in a box? No. Okay, perfect. Okay, the earrings you picked just come out to $76.21. Does that sound good? Yes? And did you want to round up to the nearest dollar for the Kendra Scott Foundation? Yes. $23 for your change here. And then here it is in a cute box for Mom. I think she'll love it. Oh, it's perfect. Thank you so much.
Bye, buddy. Hi.
Thank you. Thank you.